box today.
Can you tell what today's sound will be?
We are the twinning turtles.
M and M make the sound.
Phonics, 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 phonics.
Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics. We're out exploring at the seaside. Can you help Crab read the sound? Can you help him? M and M make the sound. Put your lips together and make the noise.
Thank you.
All these words have the sound. If you need to, use the pictures to help you read them. Summer, summer, summer. My favorite season. Drummer, drummer. Can you hit the drum really loud? Tummy. Tickle baby's tummy. Yummy. Yummy strawberries. Mammal. Mammal. What's your favorite mammal? Well done helping the crab read the words. Do you remember this sound? Oh look! The twinning turtles have found a hammerhead shark. Hammer has the sound. Now the twinning turtles need you to find the pictures with the sound. Now be careful, some pictures do not have the sound. Drummer, buzz. Can you hear the sound? Yes, that's right. Drummer. Muffin, hammock. Can you hear the sound? Yes, it's in hammock. Mill, dummy. Can you hear Yes, it's in dummy. Well done reading the sentences. Hi, turtles. Can we practice saying it aloud? Everybody, let me hear. Next, you need to practice reading these sentences. Pizza is so yummy. Hammer. Which one makes the sentence? Pizza is so yummy. Do not tickle my summer tummy. Which one is it? Tummy. Do not tickle my tummy. I hit the nail with a hammer. Summit. Which one belongs? Yes, I hit the nail with a hammer. Well done! You read all the sentences. Hey, have you seen our book and phonics game? It's available on our UK Etsy shop. Just look out for Mama T Phonics. If you're not in the UK, you can download these digitally and loads of more resources on Etsy as well as my Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Links can be found at the top of the YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.
Come back for this video and subscribe.